Greetings everyone, it is Sunday, November 1st. The time is 10:10 p.m. and the temperature is 2 degrees Celsius. I'm currently walking south on the west side of Yonge Street in midtown Toronto. That was the old Postal Station K I started off in front of. And this would be the first snowfall of the season. In fact, it's still very much fall right now. So you could say this is a bit premature, but we certainly have had snow at this time in years past. I saw that it was snowing, so I thought I would grab my camera and run out and see if I could capture some of it. So I think I'll just keep heading south for a while. The wind seems to be blowing the snow towards my camera, so hopefully the lens isn't getting too obscured. See if I can take a look up at the Condos. That is a 58-story building. It's the tallest one north of downtown. I actually recorded a walk this evening around Yonge and Eglinton. So if you're wondering why there's two walks from this neighborhood posted close together, that would be because this one obviously wasn't something I had planned on. Seems to be a mark on the camera lens. See if I can wipe that off. I really don't know if that did anything.
And I closed the bunker and I thought, oh, I have to do that because that's the last stop. But this is weird because the name Eglinton is state message. And usually it's state there to
That is Eglinton Station just on the right. And up here is the Mandarin Buffet where one of my neighbors had takeout delivered to them, and it smelled rather good. Certainly a lot better than the frozen lasagna that I had. I know those are the kind of details you want to listen to while experiencing the first snowfall of the year, or rather season. I guess the first one of the year would have been sometime back in January. This is the southern entrance to Eglinton Station. Earlier in the day, there was no southbound subway service. But I'm not seeing too much in the way of shuttle buses, so perhaps that's been resolved. At least that's what I thought I saw the sign say in the subway station. There's a new Farm Boy located in the art shop condos. I think that's sort of a higher end Whole Foods type competitor, or a Trader Joe's. I don't really know what I'm talking about. And it looks like we've got a new Staples in the neighborhood. And a West Elm furniture store. It's very possible a lot of these drivers have been caught off guard. I'm sure not everyone has put winter tires on their vehicle yet. This has also thrown my plans for a loop, as I was hoping to record a bicycle ride tomorrow morning. But I won't be doing that until the roads are dry. So this is the Yonge and Davisville neighborhood I'm entering. And if I were smart, I would probably be walking in the other direction, because it looks like the wind is blowing directly at me. He's hauling pretty good in there. This could spell a rather abrupt end to this extended patio season, as a place like this is only open to customers to eat outside. I can't imagine the province will keep these restrictions in place. If this weather keeps up, that'll certainly be the final dagger for a lot of these restaurants. There definitely seems to be something on my view screen here. Can't tell if it's on the camera lens itself or just the screen, and I have gloves on. And I'm holding an umbrella and a camera. We went so long without snow, I kind of forgot some of the challenges of filming in these conditions. Let me see if I could give the camera lens a wipe as well. Just gave me a gimbal failure warning. There we go. Can't really tell if that's better or not. Hopefully that's better. And this is Davisville Station right ahead. Kind of curious if the subway is running. Maybe I'll pop in and check it out. Oh, there goes my umbrella, right inside out. Let me throw on my mask. It is a requirement for going inside or into TTC property. And I guess I can close my umbrella. And just had a schedule on there. The train to Finch is coming in 2 minutes. And how about the train downtown? I never noticed that they don't seem to have the screens on the platform here that tell you when the next train is arriving. Alright, I think I'm going to end this video. I'm going to try to head downtown and see if I can record a snowfall video from down there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the first snowfall of the fall season in 2020. There are links in the description if you wish to support the channel or sign up to Instagram. Thanks again, and I will catch you on the next one.